So my husband and I went up to upstate New York around Christmas time, and we were itching to get out and do a snow-related activity like cross-country skiing or sledding or ice skating or something. And the only place open that we could find was Bearpen Mountain, which only offered sledding at the time, but we didn't know that when we made the reservations over the phone. Tickets were $25 each, but I figured, you can never go wrong with tubing or sledding. The tubing I'm used to is getting pulled up on a track on an inner tube up the mountain and then going down like several hundred feet. But this was not the case here.
So you can go down on your belly, lean left to go left, lean right to go right. Real tough so far, I know. Lean left and pull up on the right side. It'll give you a sharper turn left, okay. Right, pull up on the left side, sharper turn right. Right. That's how you have to slow down.
Yeah, it goes in and out.
Okay.
Okay, listen, you gotta go on your stomach. On the sleds.
Oh, okay.
You can't sit on those. If you want to sit, you can go in a tube.
Okay.
You have no control.
Yeah, super dangerous slopes here. I would like to point out that at one point, despite their deep concern for safety, they almost ran over several customers and the dog in the tractor thing. So yeah, New York is definitely a nanny state. I can't imagine anything like this occurring on the West Coast, except for maybe in California. But that is because we are just made of sterner stuff.
The dog's like, whatever.
Slides down. Are you gonna go or?
Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
You're all set to go.
After 3 slides down their lame mosquito bite-sized hill, we decided to give up and just leave. We were pretty tired of hearing employees yell at customers, and it was just not very fun, not very exciting. We left and went into a pub in town and got some delicious drinks. Honestly, I should have asked for my money back because I can't believe they were charging customers $25 for this crap. They shouldn't have even been open with the lack of snow. Also, I did a Google review of Bearpen Mountain and it mysteriously disappeared from Google, so that's interesting.